Okay, so in this video, we're going to see how ChitChatChimp can be used to create and train research and feedback bots. Research and feedback bots are a quick and easy way to find out what your audience wants from you, learn what they think about your content or site, discover why they didn't buy your product or sign up for a free offer, and even direct them to relevant content, offers, or landing pages. So let's go ahead and click on the New Bot button at the top here. This will bring us back to the bot creation page. We're going to name this guy Research Bot Richie. Bot reference can be whatever you want, so we'll call it Research 1. Tagline is just a short sentence or phrase that'll appear under the bot's name. We'll make ours, I'd love your feedback. We'll leave the position set to right and answer delay set to none. We'll try green for our bot's color. We'll leave the text set to white, and then we're going to set up our avatar. You can completely customize your avatar, but we're going to use one of the awesome built-in avatars, and we'll have our avatar display in a circle. So we're going to click on Choose, and when I think of researchers, I picture a dude with glasses and a beard, so we'll go with this guy. A great way to collect feedback about your offers is to use the Exit Intent option, which along with Auto Appear is one of the Pro Pack upgrade features that you're definitely going to want to leverage. This way you can trigger your bot to appear in a pop-up and simply ask a leaving visitor why they chose not to make a purchase or complete the call to action. It's a great way to find out your visitors' motivations and why they aren't buying or completing the call to action so you can improve your pages for better conversions. For our purposes, I'm going to leave Auto Appear set to No. I'm going to switch Exit Intent to Yes. We are going to dim the background to grab their attention better, and we'll set Hide to Yes as well. Since we're using this for Exit Intent only, this greeting field doesn't really matter, but your Exit Intent greeting field needs to have your most important question, which is basically, why are you leaving without purchasing or without signing up or whatever you wanted them to do? Email Acknowledge field is just what your bot will say after a person enters their email. We'll say, thanks for your feedback, we will get back to you via email. And of course, you'll want to stick your own email address in here or leave it blank if you don't care about it. We'll set Notify to Yes, and you also have an option here to integrate with your autoresponder, which is another awesome Pro Pack upgrade feature that you're definitely going to want to check out. But for our purposes, we're going to leave that set to No. ChatJack is a really impressive feature on the unlimited plan. We're going to skip it this time, but I encourage you to learn more about that up here in the help section later. Now, your fallback reply is usually what your bot would say in the unlikely event it can't figure out what your visitor means. But for our Exit Intent research purposes, we only want our bot to give this reply, regardless of what the visitor says. So we're going to want something like, thank you for your feedback, and maybe a couple variations of that to sound more human. And we're going to switch these options to off because we don't want our bot to go looking for other possible responses based on the visitor's keywords. But let me stop right here and talk about an even cooler opportunity and really showcase the power of ChitChatChimp. What if we took it a step further, and instead of just saying, thanks for your feedback, we said, thanks, and by the way, you might be interested in this as well, and have them click a link to another lead page or another product of yours, or even an affiliate offer that you're promoting. This means you can even leverage your exiting traffic to grow your list or make sales. So now, with ChitChatChimp, you're gaining valuable feedback and generating leads or sales at the same time. So I'll leave the Powered By branding set to CCC because I want my visitors to see that we use ChitChatChimp, but you could set this to your own link and branding if you like via the paid add-on option inside your account. Now, clicking Save will bring us to the relevant codes for installing your chatbot. You can use these codes on any site, whether you're using a chat box or an inline bot, or if you have the unlimited plan, you can take advantage of the added ChatJack feature with this link here. We're just going to grab this chatbox code here, but I encourage you to learn more about these other options in the help section. We'll just click copy here and close this out. I'm going to come over to my website here. I'll go into HTML and watch how easy this is. Right click and paste. That's all there is to it. I'm going to go ahead and publish these changes. And once that's done, let's come over to the live page and hit refresh. Now let's move our cursor outside of the screen like we're about to exit the page. And as you can see, there's our friend Research Bot Richie waiting to ask us the exact question we told him to. Let me go ahead and say, this page doesn't really convey what I'll get for signing up. And as you can see, in addition to thanking me for that feedback, he's also directed me to another product or page I might be interested in. So now you know that your page might need a little more detail added to the copy, and you could very well end up adding another person to your list, or making another sale elsewhere. Now, a research bot doesn't have to just be used for Exit Intent. Let's come back to the bot edit page, and let's say our bot is actually on our blog, and we want to know what content our audience wants to learn about. So we'll turn Exit Intent off, we'll set Auto Appear to a 2-second timer, and we'll set Hide to No, and our greeting would be, thanks for dropping by, what topics should I write more about on my blog? And let's make the tagline, let's talk about my blog. We'll save that. Let's come over to Questions, Add New Question, and so let's say our visitor asks, could you write more posts about list building? The answer could be, thanks for letting me know, you might like this post. And then you could put a URL here for a post about list building. So if we come back to our live site and hit refresh, we'll pretend this is our blog. You'll see after a couple seconds, Research Bot Richie pops up and asks us what content we want to see. We'll say, how about more on list building? And notice, those aren't even the exact words that we used a moment ago. And what do you know? He intelligently analyzes that question in the blink of an eye, and there's our prepared answer. So there you have it, an intelligent research and feedback bot to help you find out what your audience wants from you, learn what they think about your content or site, discover why they didn't buy your product or sign up for a free offer, and even direct them to relevant content, offers, or landing pages. And what's more, you created, trained, and installed him all in just a few minutes right here with ChitChatChimp.